Have you ever had a truly brilliant idea for a brand new mobile app, or a stunningly perfect presentation slide beautifully pictured in your head, but the exact moment you try to draw it out or explain it to someone it looks like a total absolute disaster because you simply do not have a background in professional graphic design? Translating complex creative thoughts into beautiful polished visuals is incredibly frustrating and time-consuming for most regular people, but Anthropic is trying to completely revolutionize that entire process with their brand new highly experimental product called Claude Design, which officially launched this past Friday. This incredibly powerful new digital tool uses the highly advanced Claude AI model to instantly help founders, busy product managers, and everyday working professionals generate high-quality interactive prototypes, slide decks, detailed one-pagers, and many other visual assets in a matter of mere seconds. Instead of painfully staring at a terrifying blank white canvas for hours, you just talk naturally to the intelligent system and describe exactly what you want to see. For example, you could simply ask it to carefully prototype a serene mobile meditation application featuring highly calming typography, subtle nature-inspired colors, and a completely clean modern layout. Within moments, Claude Design will rapidly generate a fully realized impressive initial version for you to look at and interact with. From there, you are definitely not just completely stuck with a boring static image, because you can easily refine the entire overall design by making direct manual edits, or simply asking the highly capable AI to perfectly tweak the colors, increase the specific font sizes, or even instantly add a fully functional dark mode toggle. Now you might be seriously wondering if Anthropic is actively trying to declare total war on massive established design platforms like Canva, which also just heavily upgraded its own powerful artificial intelligence features. However, the company clearly clarified to tech reporters that Claude Design is actually meant to be a helpful companion tool rather than a hostile direct replacement. It is specifically built from the ground up for people who are starting completely from scratch with just a raw, unpolished idea and desperately need a super fast way to get something visual on the screen before moving to a professional editor. Once you are completely happy with your initial presentation deck or functional prototype, you can incredibly easily export the whole entire thing as a high-quality PDF, a shareable UHRL, a editable PPTX file, or aggressively send it directly over to Canva where your team can collaborate and edit the files normally. One of the absolute most powerful mind-blowing features is that Claude Design can actually safely read your company's existing complex code base and massive design files to strictly ensure that everything it generates perfectly matches your brand's overall visual style and strict design system. This cutting-edge tool is heavily powered by their extremely capable latest Claude Opus 4.7 model and is currently strictly available in a special research preview exclusively for their Pro Max team and enterprise paying subscribers. This massive strategic launch really proves how aggressively hard Anthropic is actively pushing to completely dominate the highly profitable enterprise and professional workspace, especially after they successfully rolled out their highly capable Claude Cowork agentic assistant back in January to fully automate complex tasks across different company departments. All of this incredible non-stop innovation comes right on the heels of recent massive reports that giant venture capitalists are desperately trying to throw money at the company in a preemptive funding round that could easily value Anthropic at an absolutely insane $800 billion, putting them neck and neck with their biggest rivals.